What does it mean to enhance individual agency for you?
Um, as you know, you just referred to, Bratman's work and a bunch of philosophical work on agency. There's a whole bunch of different, kind of theories here. So rather than getting into a deep philosophical discussion, I'll just kind of be simple, which is I think agency is the question of being kind of as a one hand self-possessed, like being able to make choices for yourself, being able to implement things in the world, to be able to kind of execute within a certain thing, and then capabilities, being able to do stuff. And part of the reason why I think AI is very positive on both of these things is one is, um, and obviously people worry about AIs that are intensely manipulative or something else. Not to say there's zero worries there, but the question is like, for example, an AI can easily help you become self-possessed. We were talking about AI companions and therapists before, but like help you understand your own mind, your own interest, to educate you in various ways, to be your advocate. I mean, we were talking about a medical assistant earlier. Well, what also about a legal assistant for everybody? That's available for free. Obviously, still the people who can pay for better legal assistance always have some edge, but still valuable in having one, where a lot of people don't have.
Just curious, I know this is digressing again, but where would you see a legal assistant helping the average person in the way that a medical assistant would?
Well, I mean, look, most people can't afford lawyers. So, like, for example, they sign rental contracts without knowing what's in them.
Mm,
They
okay.
don't know when they have an ability to take a legal action or not, or what the kind of things to do are. They don't necessarily know what their rights are if a collection agent is talking to them. There's all kinds of things that go on there.
Okay, actually, since South Park is very topical right now, there was this South Park episode many years ago, I think called, like, Human Centipede, where anybody who signed, like, the iTunes agreement, unknowingly was committing themselves to be part of a human centipede, if you remember that horror movie, and I can see this would be a great case where you have the AI legal assistant looking over your shoulder to just skim through the terms and conditions of everything you sign.
So, yes, exactly. And look, there's just all kinds of places. Well, look, part of why we have laws is we live in a society where we have, um, obligations, responsibilities, entailments with each other, with society, and so forth. And part of the reason I have lawyers to help navigate that, and this becomes a much easier way to navigate all that. Anyway, one part of that is kind of this knowledge of, what are my available options, what are my rights, how am I self-possessed, and so forth. And AI can help with that. And then there's capabilities in terms of doing stuff. Like, say, for example, we're on a legal theme. I want to write a letter to say, hey, you did me wrong, legally. Well, AI can help you write the letter, right? And kind of cross check that and so forth. And so that extends capabilities. Um, and and so I think that 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 that's part of the individual agency, and obviously, that was the specific question, and then the super agency in part, just so people think about it, is to not only think about individual agency in terms of individuals, but also what happens with our agency when we all get it together, or when a lot of us get it together. And part of super agency is the thesis that when we have a broad based technology for many of us, that all of our agencies go up, not just because of our own individual capabilities with it, but because your capabilities with it. And, um, and so with like cars, created super agency as well. And I think AI has that capability of kind of right, uh, uh, raising all of our agencies, not just by us individually, but what happens when many of us are all raised together. And a very last point, people say, well, but isn't AI going to differentially help the the um the wealthier or someone else? And the answer maybe yes, but it's also like a smartphone. And Tim Cook has the same smartphone, that some of your Uber drivers do. Because when it's that broadly provisioned, we all get the same one. There isn't actually, in fact, any particular benefit to give one person a much better one, because it's much better to be for the hundreds of millions. and the billions for doing this. And I think that's, part of the increase of agency we'll be having with super agency. Anyway,